In this episode of NCAP TV, we're going to talk about winter. It's cold out there. How can we make things more bearable getting through the winter months? Stay tuned to find out. So we're going to talk about how to get through the cold months of winter. It's been cold out this winter. In fact, even here in Florida, we've been getting down into the 40s, which for us is downright chilly. I know in some parts of the country, though, you guys are struggling with temperatures down 20, 25 below. Some massive winter storms have come through, a lot of snow and blizzards. So what do we do with our carpet cleaning business during those months? Now, if you're one of the carpet cleaners out there running a truck mount, you know how difficult it is to run your truck mount, to run the hoses, keep things from freezing, getting in and out. It's just plain nasty. And in fact, some of your customers may even be holding back from getting their carpet cleaned because it's wintertime, and with all of the ice melt and snow and stuff getting tracked in, they just figure let's just put it off till the spring. That's what often happens. And you may not want to send your crew out, or you go out yourself to clean carpet when it's 20 below and snowing and nasty out. I understand, I wouldn't want to do that either. But what about using low moisture methods? For example, if we use a orbital machine with microfiber bonnets, why would anybody really want to get out there when it's negative 10, 20 below and get out there and try to clean carpet in the snow and trudge through all that mess? It's very difficult. It's not even very safe. And many of your customers certainly wouldn't even be calling you out for that. But if you're using a low moisture method, for example, the Orbot Vibe with microfiber bonnets, you can get in there with a glide bonnet, for example, and clean that carpet very easily and get it in good condition, or perhaps using the Superzorb bonnets from Orbot. These are great tools for getting those residential carpets back in line. Now, it's not going to empty out the soil from the carpet as thoroughly as hot water extraction. That's still the best way to pull the greatest quantity of soil out of the carpet in a single shot for residential carpet particularly. But for maintaining residential carpet, giving them a nice cleaning, what about building up your low moisture route during the cold months? We got some stuff here that we want to talk about when it comes to residential carpet cleaning. First of all, NCAP Hydrox is a go-to product in the winter months because it does a great job with what's going to walk in from snow, ice melt. If you're using salt, NCAP Hydrox, being that it's very strong with hydrogen peroxide and extremely acidic, it's going to go after everything that walks in from outdoors in the way of ice melt and snow. So great product to work with during the winter months. And then with your orbital machine, you could use, for example, the microfiber glide bonnet, which is super popular, the cotton blend Superzorb pads, which are from Orbot. These are awesome, very absorbent, really great. We also have the TNT bonnet, the thick and thirsty bonnet. These are very, just as the name says, thick and thirsty, great for residential carpet. And for commercial carpet, you could use the microfiber scrub bonnet. So these bonnets with an orbital machine, along with the NCAP Hydrox, could easily get your accounts in great shape and keep them looking good through the winter months. So to help you build your residential business up over these cold winter months, you might just consider grabbing your orbital machine along with bonnets and NCAP Hydrox. It can certainly make it easier for you to provide a good service for your customer. You can also consider building up your hard surface floor care. Here at Excellent Supply, we've got everything that you need. We carry the basic coatings line of products for laminates and wood, your tile and grout products from Stone Pro. We've got some great stuff here at Excellent Supply for the hard surface as well. But just wanted to give you some maybe ideas that you can kick around as it's cold out there with a lot of snow. And it may not be practical to get in there with the truck mount right now, but you can certainly do a lot with low moisture using good products like NCAP Hydrox and the appropriate bonnet for the job. It's just one way we want to help you max your NCAP here at Excellent Supply. Thank you for watching this episode. If you have any thoughts or comments, please share it in the section below for comments and give us a thumbs up too. We appreciate it, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching.